Hey guys, here's a project that anybody can do. All you need is a tree in your yard and a hose. So if you're like us, your hose was kind of strung out all over your yard. So what I did was I just cut the tree off at maybe like 3 or 4 feet, something like that, and I wind the hose around the tree. Now, anytime I need to use some of the hose, all I have to do, go up, grab it, walk around the tree like that. Let's say I only need, maybe a 6 foot section. I don't have to drag the whole hose out to use it. I can just use this little section. When I'm done, I can just walk it around. Now, if you need all, I think I have, maybe 250 feet of hose here. If I need all the hose, it's about 75 to 85 laps around the tree just to unwind it, and then when you're done, of course, you want to wind it back up around that tree. But this is another DIY, cheap way. You don't have to go out and buy an expensive hose reel. This is something you can do if you just have a tree and, of course, the hose. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.